Hello, my name is Inge and I'm the head of the company and I'm also the founder. Our company has been on the market since 2010 and we have now expanded our company to New York, so we also have an office there. Our mission is to be the most reliable relocation company in this world. We want our clients to trust us and to trust the things that we can do for them. The value is to have fun at work. And if we want to have fun at work and want this company to grow, we need to be positive and be smiling all the time so this company can grow and so we can expand it and be global on the market. Our values is about that we set the bar high for ourselves. Since we started this company, we wanted to improve it all the time. In the next few years, we expect to be fully established on the global market. And now we have a trainee that wants to tell about his experience.
And I was relocated in Spain for the first time. In the first time I was in Spain, it was very hard for me because the hotel I lived on had no Wi-Fi, so I couldn't contact my family and speak to them on Skype. But then I could contact my relocation company called International Relocation Management, who could help me move to a different hotel where I could get Wi-Fi and see my family again. They know for new people in a new country where they don't know anybody that the family can really help them, and it's good for them to talk to the people at their home.